Hi, I'm Marjie Kemper, and I want to show you days 11 through 20 of my artist trading coins for the 100-day project. This first one is distress inks and a Tim Holtz pear stamp. This one is Dilutions ink sprays with some stamping and a Sizzix leaves or vine die cut. This one is more distress inks, and I attached a little fiber with some mini staples. This one is distress inks and paint, and I put it through one of the Sizzix embossing folders, the texture fade. And then I like this little snarky sentiment from Tim Holtz. This one is on a jelly plate, and it's got a little plastic embellishment in the center. This one is also distress inks again, and stamping and stenciling. This one has a lot of 3D elements. They're all little chipboard and cardboard pieces that I adhered and then painted with a grit paste, and then I used texture gold waxy colorants on top, the little dream stamp. This is another Dilutions one with some Tim Holtz collage materials. And distress inks, Love, Wish, Dream, with a bit of washi tape as a border. And the last one is distress inks, and then the inside is a little Chit Chat sticker, and it's filled with ultra thick embossing enamel, UT, on one of Tim Holtz's ornate plates. So that's it for days 11 through 20. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe so you'll get a notification when I post the next one. Have a great day.